Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add variables in a Grafana. Now first of all, I want you to open up your dashboard's settings. So click on your respective dashboard, come here and click on edit first to enter the edit mode. And then you should see settings right here. Click on it. And from here, select variables. As you can see, there's no variables added yet. Just click here on add a variable. Now, first you can choose the variable type. There's all of these options, right? The most common one people tend to go for is query, where values are being fetched from a data source query. Of course, you can choose any of these other ones, and you can go ahead and name your query anything you would like. And then if we come down here, you can choose your data source. So we have all of these different data source we had added. Of course, also like this one, Grafana test data source. And down here, you can also go ahead and set how all you want to refresh your data. So you can either refresh on a dashboard loading or on a time range change, okay? And I'll just leave it at a dashboard loading. So every time the dashboard loads, the values of this variable would be updated. You can even come here and toggle this one on if you would like to basically include an all option in the variables dropdown, basically allowing users to select all the available values. Okay. And if you want, you can set a custom all value as well. But once you're happy with it, all you need to do is save this to your dashboard. Of course, if you want, you can run the query as well. Just make sure you save your changes. And that is how to add variables, because if you come here to dashboards and you click on your respective dashboard, you will see that variable right here. And you'll get a drop down as well where you can choose multiple if those are available. But that is how to add variables in a Grafana.